Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language on your Kia Sportage. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. You'll learn to navigate through your car's infotainment system to find the language options. This guide will help you quickly switch to your desired language, making your driving experience more comfortable and intuitive. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, locate the Settings button on your Kia Sportage's infotainment display. If you don't see a dedicated button, simply press the Home button first, then select Setup from the main screen. Once in the Setup menu, you'll find an option labeled General. Tap on this to access the core system configurations, bringing you one step closer to changing your language. Now that you are in the General settings, look for and select the language option. This action will display a comprehensive list of all available languages for your Kia Sportage system. Take a moment to scroll through these options until you find the language you wish to use. Once you've located it, simply tap on your preferred language to make your selection. After selecting your desired language, the system will automatically apply the change. You might see a quick pop-up confirming the update, which will disappear after a few seconds. All your menus, navigation prompts, and display information will now be presented in your newly chosen language. It's that simple. You've successfully personalized your Kia Sportage's infotainment system for a more comfortable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.